What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about something that was really cool that recently happened to our business and a little bit of a different technique that we took, and I wanted to just break that down for you all and discuss the opportunity that we have in front of us because I'm super excited and it's something that I really want to share with you guys. So stick all the way to the end. We're going to be chatting about the ramifications, the impacts, and the potential opportunities that are stemming from this deal that we made. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as I mentioned in today's video, we are talking about a potential opportunity that came our way in our very own Amazon wholesale business. If you guys like this video and all my content, do not forget to smash that like button. Go and show the channel and this video some love. That helps me out more than you guys could know, and I appreciate every single one of you. Alright, so what is this thing that happened to our business that is going to catapult us forward in 2021 and moving forward? So traditionally speaking, in the past 2 years, we have used distributors and wholesalers as the prime source of all of our products, and the prime source of our suppliers has been through these channels. So there's kind of a third prong to the different types of suppliers in the wholesale model, and that would be brands. So we recently discovered a brand that was actually a distributor who decided to create their own brand in the category that they are already selling products in. So these guys are currently in Canada only, and they do have a presence on Amz.ca, and they actually sell directly to Amazon retail. And because of that, Amazon is on all of the Canadian listings. So we actually took a couple SKUs, we hopped on those listings as well, and to our surprise, Amazon is sharing the buy box a little bit. We just did a test with a couple of units because we were already purchasing products from different brands through this distributor. And then we thought about it and we noticed that this brand does not have a US presence at all. And not only that, do they not have a US presence, but they actually don't have a Walmart or eBay or anything like that in Canada. So they are selling through traditional brick and mortar. They do have their own website they sell on. There's some other kind of third-party websites that aren't the big marketplaces that they sell on or sell to people who sell on. So we saw this as an opportunity for our business to actually expand them out into the US. And then so we started looking into it because we had never done anything cross-border, although most of our business is done US suppliers to the US market. And then we do some distribution where it is Canadian suppliers to the Canadian market. We've never actually bought anything in Canada and sent it across the border. So we did a little research, did a little digging, and figured out the different steps that we need to take to get the products across the border. We talked with the supplier and we worked out some distribution pricing and some pricing going forward to make sure that we could move it to the US market, post it up on the Amazon marketplace, and still turn a profit. So we worked all of those small details, and we've actually put in our first test shipment that is fully designated toward going to the US. So really the eventual goal and plan with this is to obviously get the product from Canada, send it over to the US, post it up on the Amazon marketplace on .com, and then we will be the only sellers because they have no distribution in the US, and there are some steps and hurdles and barrier to entry for people to get the products from the US to Canada and then resell them. So our plan is to build out and grow the SKU count and build out all of the listings for them. Luckily, we're super blessed because Amazon has done all the work on the Canadian side, so we're able to use a lot of the information that's there and create the American listings, and then we're going to send them in, sell them through the .com platform, build out the SKU base until eventually we're able to have full capacity, full scale on all of their product offerings, which is about 40 to 50 different unique SKUs between different sizes, flavors, that kind of thing. So this is an absolute massive opportunity. This could represent hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of sales per year for us. And then as well, we're planning on rolling this out in the Canadian market on different marketplaces as well, and then handle the capacity of orders through our own fulfillment channels here in Canada. So some of those places that we're looking at selling here in Canada are eBay, and then we recently just signed up and became sellers on the Walmart marketplace in Canada as well. So we're gonna be posting those up on Walmart in Canada, and we're gonna really just see where this goes, see how we can run with it. We're gonna grow this up, we're gonna scale it. We are going to work out better pricing in the future, so we're gonna have really, really good margins on these products. Hopefully that is the plan. And then really the end goal and the end ask with this is that we are the exclusive Amazon seller in the US marketplace. Right now, they don't actually have any distribution exclusivity deals with Amazon or any other sellers in Canada. So we might even have the opportunity to convince them to let us do the Canadian market, which we already know is doing well and killing it, as well as the US market. And then we've positioned ourselves in the best place possible, because for them, it's just a matter of signing an agreement and the distribution is in place. They know we're making sales, they know we're putting POs in and all of that good stuff. So just an extremely exciting opportunity for us. And I think that this is going to be absolutely massive for our business. It is an absolute dream to be able to actually take something from an idea and its inception to growing and scaling this out. So I will keep you guys posted, and let me know down in the comment section if you guys have any thoughts about this, if you guys have done this before in your own Amazon business, or even if you have any questions on some of the different issues between getting products from Canada to the US, vice versa to other markets, as well as if you have just general questions about how we did it, how we came across it, feel free to reach out down below. Love to chat with you guys. Also, do not forget to give this a big thumbs up. That helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps out the channel. I would appreciate it immensely. As well as do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know every single time that I put out a new video. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you have a great day. Peace.